Hi, I'm Cliff with ABE Car Care. How do you know when you need a battery? How often do you check your battery? Most people wait until they can't start the car. That's too late. There are some warning signs. You get it in the morning and you turn the key and it cranks a little slow or it sounds a little odd. That's a sign your battery's getting weak. If you're under the hood and you look at the battery and there's corrosion on the terminals, also a sign. That's a battery that's venting too hard, which means it's charging too hard, it's getting work too hard. We check batteries every time we change the oil. It's just a good, safe way to keep you on the road.